Hello and welcome to the AF Auto Blends 3D car creation channel. This is a Blender quick tip video to show you how to move your camera to any position that you require easily using the shortcut keys. For this example I've used one of my projects, the Volvo car. I've added 2 or 3 area lights and a camera and a backdrop. Okay, so let's get into the video. So I want to get the camera to look at, to get the view I require, so without manipulating the camera to get this actual view that I've got here, all we do is press Control, hold Control, Alt, and then press 0 on the numpad. Okay, so scroll out and then you can simply position it in the viewport by pressing G and just moving it, actually not that, grab the camera to there and press G and move the car into that, okay, into the preferred view. If you want to bring it in closer or further, you can use your shortcut keys. You can press Shift and the tilde key, which is the key under the escape key. So press Shift and tilde, then you can press W, which zooms it in, S, which zooms it out, Q, which moves it up, A, which moves it to the right, E moves it down, and D moves it to the left. Okay, so then you set it there. So there's your camera looking at the view you want. So if you wanted a different view, so you just manipulate your model, just move into where you want it, like so, press Control, Alt and 0, and then you can press the Shift and tilde and press W to scroll it back, press G or one of the other keys to move it into the required position, set it, and then you can do your render. You render the image from there. And there you go. Okay, so this is just a quick Blender tip. Hope you enjoy it and see you in the next episode.